Welcome to another edition of Cardinal Weekly presented by the Cardinal Sports Network. I'm Benny Rogers, the Sports Information Officer here at the college. It's a big week for the Cardinal cheerleaders and the Lady Cardinal softball team. Let's start with the cheerleaders. Coach Chris Franklin's squad left Monday around 6 p.m. for Daytona Beach, Florida, where they will compete in the national competition. They are scheduled to compete in the preliminary round around 3 p.m. our time Thursday. The finals will be Friday. The Cardinal cheerleaders are looking for a 10th national championship and their first since 2008. The cheerleaders are outstanding ambassadors for the college and always are there to support our teams home and away. We certainly wish them the best in Florida. In softball, the Lady Cardinals are locked into a tight race to qualify for the regional tournament. Going into the week, they were 19-19 on the year and 7-7 in league play. This was a big week for Coach Ashley Johnson's squad, which was scheduled to play Paris at home Wednesday, Navarra on the road Thursday, and at home Saturday against Tyler in the knockout cancer game. All three doubleheaders, weather permitting, were scheduled to begin at 1 p.m. Going into the week, Navarra and Tyler were leading a 28-game conference race with 11 wins each. The Lady Cardinals had 7 and defending national champion Angelina 6. Paris, Northeast, and Kilgore were also in the mix. For updates on Lady Cardinal softball, go to Twitter and follow us at TVCC Sports. That's at TVCC Sports. That's going to wrap it up for this edition of Cardinal Weekly. For the Cardinal Sports Network, this is Benny Rogers reporting.